Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be doing my BoxyCharm Icon Box Ipsy unboxing. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So as you can see, this is what the box looks like. And this is considered like the Luxe box on BoxyCharm. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what all came in here. It does come with this right here. I'm gonna set everything right here and just take one thing at a time out. So this will tell you a little bit about the products that are inside of here and the prices of everything you can see on the back. I usually just throw these away. Don't really look at them. So first thing, I did get this right here. It was an add-on. I got it in the shade Mink and I did use it today. I love this. I put it back in the packaging just to show you. So this is what it looks like. It is like a grayish, it like has a gray undertone, like a really nice chocolatey brown, but with like a gray undertone. So it's really great for like contouring. I used it today. Keep in mind, I've had my makeup on all day. I had to wake up super early for orthodontist appointment. So I've had my makeup on like literally probably over 8 hours. So this thing works great and I will continue to use this. I love this. And it's way cheaper if you buy stuff on the like pop-up things because it's such a good deal. I would have paid full price for that, but I did get it way cheaper than I would have originally paid for it. So the first thing that's in the box is this right here, and this is a duo lip liner. This retails for $42. So the total value of this month's box was $348. I went ahead and wrote it down. So this is what the lip duo looks like. I didn't know that it came with two different ones and then a lip sharpener, like a pencil sharpener. So they look like really nice nude lips. I like the fact that it did come with this because I will be using that. Let me go ahead and I'm going to swatch first this one. Let me just go ahead and put that right there. So they are like this. You can see, and then the other side. This one's a little harder. So this one was really smooth, the first one. This side, it's kind of harder, but that's actually a really pretty shade if you're wanting to do like a neutral lip. You could probably even use these, like fill in your lips and do a lip color, like to the darker on the outside and then fill the inside with a lighter color and then make your, like put a gloss or something and make a pretty lip. So we have that one. I'm just gonna keep these out because I'm gonna be using those. And then you have these two. See, that one's really smooth, so I'm guessing this is gonna be dry. No, these ones were both really smooth. I really like this color right here. So this is this color, this color. This side's really pretty. I really do like that. So I will be using these. Very nice. And like I said, they retail for $42. Next thing that's in the box, let's see, is this right here. And it retails for $45. So this is like a face moisturizer. So I'm just gonna put a little dot. I think it's sealed. Yeah, it's sealed. I'm not gonna open it up yet because I'm using a lot of different skincare right now. So I am going to save this for another day. But it did come with this and it's really nice. I don't know what this is. So I'm gonna put this in my unopened skincare little pile that I have. So next thing in the box is this right here. It retails for $75 and it is a purifying cleanser. Let me go ahead and just. So that's what it looks like. Let me see if it has a smell or anything. So I really like the packaging. It's like Cinderella. That's what it reminds me of. So it does. It has like a really like pretty, like a nice, like a perfume kind of scent. So I'm just saying, these lip liners and everything, do you see this? It's not even budging with that. Okay, I need to go get a baby wipe real quick. It's getting nice and sudsy. So it is like a very nice sudsy cleaner because I can feel the suds on here. It smells really good though. I love a good perfume scent. And that straight up smells like a perfume. Next thing that's in the box is this right here, and this is a multi-volume styling mist, body and light hold for fine hair, which my hair is really fine. Like, this is how my hair with some of it in the back and front is. So it's very fine. So I do need this. It says it's lightweight. This lightweight mist makes hair appear twice as thick and full, which I already did my hair today. Although I worked out and you probably can't tell. It has like a clean scent. Not really strong though. So this is really nice. You know what? I think I'm smelling my rose oil. Because I smell roses. So I'm pretty much sure. I can feel like the stickiness. You can hear that? So it is like sticky. So it feels like kind of like a light hairspray. And it says to apply this spray throughout clean towel dried hair prior to blow drying. So I will be using that. So I'm going to put all the stuff that I'm using like over here. Because this is like my get ready table. Next thing, let me see if it says how much that costs. So that retails for $30. So really great. Like you can see all this stuff is already really adding up. And so far I love everything. Not one thing I do not like. So I'm excited about that. Next thing in the box is this right here. And it is by Benefit. And it is the Pore Professional Speed Smooth. It's a pore mask. And this retails for $39. And it says it smooths skin instantly, and over time pores look instantly refined, clear. It has celery and flaxseed extracts, helps visibly improve skin texture. And it says apply to clean, dry face and neck. Wait 3 to 5 minutes or until mask is fully changed color. Rinse, use 2 to 3 times a week. I do have really bad pores because I have very oily skin because, you know, I'm anointed. So I will be using this because I need it. I am oily and very, very, when you're really oily, you're more prone to pores. So definitely will be using this. I don't know why I put it back in the box because I'm going to be putting this over here because probably tonight I'll put it on. So that was that. I'm not going to open it just yet. Well, I guess I could just to show you because I am going to use this. Ooh, so it's just like a gray. I don't want to waste it because I'm going to use this. So it's kind of like a gray. You can see just like a gray, bluish gray mask. I really don't smell scent. I think I'm smelling like right there, it smells like that face wash, which is like a perfume scent. And over here, I smell like rose oil. So, very nice. Okay. Getting ahead of myself. Looking all crazy. Probably should have brushed my hair before I did this video. Next thing that's in the box. It still keeps giving. So, this is Face Glaze Bronze Gel Cream. And this retails for $25. Let me put a little piece right here. I don't want to waste it because I like to look glowy. So you can see I got a little beep boop dot. So that's what it looks like. It doesn't look like it's going to really give much of a color. I did the tiniest dot. I guess it will. You can kind of see right there. It did give me a slight bit of color, which I've been tanning, so I'm a little dark right now. The Portuguese in me, but I'm about to go on vacation, so I wanted to tan outside before I go on vacation so I don't get burnt, because I'm Portuguese and I usually tan. I hardly ever burn, but I have to tan gradually, and then once I get past a certain point, I won't burn no matter how dark I get. So I was trying to get past that maybe I'll burn point, and yeah, so I didn't. So I'm gonna just keep tanning from here on out. So next thing that's in the box is this right here, and this is a Point Made waterproof liquid eyeliner pen in the color Bossy Blue. I didn't know they sent me a blue one. I don't know about that. And it retails for $19. I don't think I've ever worn blue. I don't know if blue would look good on me. I feel like if you're really pale, it would look good, but I'm really dark. Well, I can be pale. If it's like dead of winter, I'm pretty pale. But for the most part, I'm usually pretty dark. So you can see this is what it looks like. And that is blue. You know what? With my blue contacts, that may look really pretty. I'm gonna let it dry down and see how it does. So this is $19, really affordable. If you did try it out, I'm just gonna leave this out of the box because I'll try it out maybe tomorrow on my makeup. See, it's drying, and looky there. Now let me get some of my face oils and see, because that's the thing, like I'm really oily. I just blotted my skin. Normally, yeah. So with my face oils, you can see I barely touched it and it's coming right off. That's the issue that I have being oily, is when I wear a lot of eyeliners and stuff, they end up melting on my face. So I don't know how this is going to do. The Kat Von D works really well. I don't find that one to melt, but for the most part, the majority of them do melt on my skin. So last thing that's in the box is this right here, and it is a lash growth serum, and it retails, let me see, for $48. Now, I do want to say, if you want to grow out your lashes, it retails, it's kind of expensive. It retails, I think, for $150. You can get small bottles for $60. I've heard that they sell them at Dillard's pretty cheap. And for the big size bottles. And it really works. I have a video, it's called New Lash, on my channel. That stuff works amazing. My lashes were literally touching my brows. Obviously, these are lash extensions, so these are fake. And I kind of like want to go back to doing that, but DIY lashes is my moneymaker on this channel. It's like those videos get the most views, so that's why I continue to do this. But if this wasn't my income, like I would totally just switch to that. I want to try to find like a better way to do my lashes so that I can still make like money, but still use the serum at the same time so my lashes are growing. But because these are like usually oil based, you can see, it melts off my lashes, so then they don't last as long. And usually I can get these lashes to last about 2 weeks doing it this way. So it's like, I don't know, I find it hard. I want to find a way where I can use the lash serum and then grow out my lashes and still continue to do these lash extensions at the same time. Sorry. If this video keeps cutting out, I have a bad cough, so I keep having to pause to try it out, but I don't smell anything. It just like, it's a clear lash gel. I'll have to try this out and see how it works. It's by Grow Potion, and it's called Grow Potion, and it's by that brand right there. But that is everything that was in my box this month. Like I said, it retailed for $300, isn't it 48? Yeah, $348. So really great deal. I got a ton of really nice stuff. I loved everything. I'll be using everything. Sometimes it's like, I get a few things that I'm not like obsessed with. I don't really like that much. But for the most part, I get a lot of really good stuff that normally I wouldn't be able to afford. And if you do subscribe to them, which I'll put a link down in the description if you want to check it out. Every box that you get, they have like a storeroom where you get makeup up to like 90% off, which is crazy. And they have like a lot of name brands. That's where I got this, which is by the Anastasia Beverly Hills. And like I would have paid full price. I mean, it's not like sample size stuff. All of their stuff is full size and really cheap. I think I maybe paid $20-something for this, but it retails for over $40. So I got a really good deal on this. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.